Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to change from Uber Eats to Uber Driver. Okay, so you've decided to make the switch. Let's go ahead and do it. So before you begin, ensure that you meet Uber's rideshare requirements, okay? So you must be at least 20 to 21 years old. This will vary in each state, and you must have a full driver's license. Your vehicle needs to be under 15 years old. It needs to have 4 doors and meet passenger vehicle standards. Some states require additional transport licenses or authorizations, which can take up to 21 days to obtain, but of course this is region or state specific. Go ahead and contact Uber support directly through your driver app, and go ahead and call this number to request the account switch from delivery to rideshare. Upload all of the required documents for passenger driving through your Uber driver app, including your vehicle inspection reports and insurance verification. Uber typically will review your submitted documents within 24 hours. Sometimes it may take a little bit longer, but full activation occurs once everything is approved. Usually immediately if you have all of your permits and all of your documents, or it could be up to 21 days if you're waiting on state-specific authorizations. Please note, you cannot accept any trips or deliveries during this transition period, so you will be offline. Once it has been activated, go and select Uber X or the other rideshare options in your app to begin receiving ride requests. Benefits from potentially higher earnings, flexible scheduling, and Uber Pro rewards, including fuel, discounts, cash bonuses, and priority support access, is all included.